Good morning, students. I have explained you in last lecture that what is the mirror's formula, what is the magnification. Now I am going to explain you some numericals of the concave mirror. We have already studied the sign convention, the sign which we use with the concave mirror, what sign we should use with a U, with a V, or with the F or H, and all these symbols. So now I am going to explain you one numerical of the concave mirror, which is based on the concave mirror. The numerical is this. You can write the numerical with me and I will explain you. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter from the pole of concave mirror. So this is a concave mirror and we are placing an object at a distance of 10 centimeter from the mirror. So what is this value? We know that the distance of the object from the mirror is called small u. It is represented by the symbol small u. It means we have given we have the value of u, that is equal to minus 10. We know that u is always represented with the minus sign. So we can say the distance of the object from the mirror, that is u is equal to minus 10 here. Now its real image is formed. You know what is the meaning of this real image? I have explained you in last lectures that real image means the image is formed in front of the mirror. Now if the real image is formed, the value of the v should be represented by the sign minus v, because we are measuring the distance of the image from the mirror in this side, and the values which are measuring which we use to measure it means the values which we are measuring in this direction is represented by minus sign. So we can say that the v is negative. So real image means v is negative. So we should know that real image means v should be negative. So in this question, its real image is formed at 6 centimeter from its pole. So we know the value of u, that is minus 10, and what is the value of v here? V is the minus 6 centimeter. Calculate the focal length of the mirror. You have to find the focal length of the mirror. So first you have to write the values which is given in this question, that is u is equal to minus 10. Okay, you always write the sign with before the values, and v is equal to minus 6 centimeter, because we know that the image is real, and real image means the v should be negative. Now we have to find the value of f. We can use the mirror's formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. Now put the values with their symbols, with their sign, that is 1 upon v means 1 upon minus 6 minus 1 upon 10, plus minus minus. So I am representing it with the minus sign. That is 1 upon f is equal to, now the LCM is minus, we can put this minus sign with the 1. LCM is 30, it will be minus 5, and this will be minus 3. Now 1 upon f is equal to minus 8 upon 30, or by doing the reciprocal of this value, we can find the value of f, that is minus 30 upon 8. It is approx 8 3 is 24, 60, 7 and 5 centimeter. So approximately, not approximately, the focal length of the concave mirror will be minus 3.75. Minus sign means we know that the concave mirror has a focal length which having the negative sign. So we find the value of f with the negative sign. So the focal length of the concave mirror will be negative. If if in this question, if we replace the real image by the virtual image, it means if there is a question that a virtual image is formed. Virtual image is formed means the image will be formed here behind the mirror. So if the virtual image is formed, we know that the v should be positive. So in case if in the question is there that the virtual image is formed, so you can say that the v will be positive. Now suppose in this question you have to find the magnification. magnification. We know that magnification is equal to h2 upon h1. Now we don't know the value of h2 and h1 here, but we know the value of v and u. So we have two formula for magnification, that is h2 upon h1 and minus v upon u. So we can put the value of v, that is minus 6, upon u, that is minus 10. So we can also find the magnification here, that is 0.6. You know, magnification do not have any unit because this is a ratio, and ratio don't have any unit. Okay, this is the one question. And the other question is this: concave mirror. This is NCERT question. Concave mirror produce 3 times magnified real image. Okay, you know what is the meaning of this whole sentence, this line? What is the meaning of this line? 3 times magnified real image. Here we know the value of m. Magnification is 3, and how will you know that it will be positive or negative? I have explained in last lecture that m can be positive, it can be negative. But real image, we know that the real image is always inverted, so magnification will be negative. It means in this question we have that we have the value of m, that is 3, and with the sign of minus, because the real image is formed, and real image is always inverted, so magnification will be minus. So we can say m is equal to minus 3. In case of this, if in this question if real image is not there, it will be a virtual image. Suppose it will be a virtual image, then magnification will be positive. Okay, so magnification will be positive or negative, depend on the type of nature of the image formed. So again, now again, real image of an object placed at 10 centimeter from in front of mirror. So we are placing an object at a distance of 10 centimeter from the mirror. What is here? It is the value of u. We know that the distance of the object from the mirror is represented by the u, by the symbol u. So we can say u is minus 10 centimeter. U is always negative, so we can say u is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, and again, where is the image located? We have to find the value of v. Where is the image located? Okay, so what is in this question? We have the value of magnification, that is 3, and the positive negative sign is can be here. Suppose it is a real image, so we can say it will be a minus 3, or if the real image is not formed, it will be a virtual image, then we can say m will be positive. Okay, magnification is minus 3, and what is the distance of object from the mirror? It is a u, that is minus 10 centimeter. You have to find the value of v here. Okay, so we know the relation between the m, v and u. Magnification is equal to minus v upon u, and we have to put the value with their sign, that is magnification is minus 3 is equal to minus v. We don't know the value of v, and what is the u here? U is minus 10. Cancel it. So we find the value of v is equal to kitna aa gaya? It is a 30 centimeter, minus 30 centimeter. Minus sign show that the image is real. I have explained you negative sign of v show that it is a real image. Okay, suppose in this question you have to find the value of f. Then what will you do? You will use the mirrors formula. 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. So by using this formula we can find the value of f. So 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v, that is 1 upon minus 30, plus 1 upon u, that is 1 upon minus 10. Now what is the LCM of these values? This is 30. LCM is 30. Minus sign can be put with this value, with this number 1. So minus 1 and minus 3. It is minus 4 upon 30. So we can say what is f here? F is equal to minus 30 upon 4. Or 4, 7, 28. 7.5 minus 7.5 centimeter. This is the focal length of the concave mirror we used. Suppose in this question, the 3 time magnified virtual images formed of the object. Then what is the difference in these two values? Suppose in this part we know that real image is formed, and what will happen if the real image is not formed? It will virtual image. What will change now? Magnification will be positive, because we know that virtual image should have the positive magnification, will have the positive magnification. M is equal to minus plus 3. U is always negative, it will be minus 10 centimeter. So we can find the value of V here. This is for the virtual image. Suppose in this question this is not the virtual image, it is real image. So suppose this is the next question, we have the same question. Now in place of real image it is virtual images form. Then what will happen? M is equal to plus 3, U is equal to minus 10. So we can find the value of V, that is magnification is equal to minus V upon U. So V will be 30 centimeter. You know why it is positive 30? Because we know that virtual image is always formed here is side, this is in behind the mirror, and the images which is formed behind the mirror is always have the positive sign. So virtual it means the image is virtual. Positive 30 positive V means virtual image, and negative V means real image. So now we have the value of V. So we can also find the value of F here. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. So by solving this mathematically, we can find minus 2 upon 30. It will be F is equal to minus 15 centimeter. Okay. So I will give you lots of numericals in your worksheet. So first of all, understand all both of the videos properly, and then you are able to do any numerical of my sheet. Okay, bye.